Hi there, and thank you for looking at our 98 Seadoo GSX. Taking a little walk around. Very clean unit. Very nice rubber. Maintained, stored in the garage. Just had a brand new pump on the back end there with a new impeller. Very few dings, current till 2012. Triton all aluminum trailer. Very nice trailer. Small compartment up front. And it has peak of 66 miles an hour. It's slightly off, doesn't go quite that fast. And we put 4.6 miles on it today. First time out this season. And it has 242 hours on the machine. Also has temperature, stopwatch, clock. You can see that the tilt works just fine. And there she is. Thanks for looking. Hope you enjoyed the footage on the water.